Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a 1008 piece puzzle, but it's an advent calendar. So how this works is, oh, that's the picture. Let me get a right angle on that. So that's what's completed with the puzzle. So let's open this box up. And there we go. So I'm gonna put that up. So we get a nice example of what we're going to be putting together. So inside it has this cool poster of the actual puzzle. So that is very neat, very cool. Just kind of give you an idea. A very nice print. So it's kind of like a bonus I didn't even know about. So how this works is like any advent calendar, you have your basic packet that you get on like starting December 1st, so it goes to the 21st. So that is what your little box looks like. And then when you open it up, you basically get a bunch of pieces to that puzzle that you can put together. Hopefully I will not lose any. So every day you get a certain amount of pieces that you can put together, and then you can start making your advent calendar puzzle. So very cool. And obviously this is going to take a little bit of time for me to actually put together, but you get the general idea. So very, very neat, very cool little family get-together that you can do as a family. So every day during December you can grab your puzzle pieces. Every day get a new pack and put them together. So a lot of family fun, and it'd be great to do. And I'm looking forward to doing it with my family. I have some relatives that are absolutely super into puzzles, and this is going to be like the perfect thing to give them. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.